get you up to speed on the market action because it has been quite a day, you could say, a month and a quarter here for the major averages for the day. The Dow off just around 1.2%, biggest dragger in the Dow today. The worst performer is Nike. Nike on pace for its worst day since 2001. Taking a look at the NASDAQ off just around 0.7% today. The S&P off nearly 1%. Month to date, let's take a look at these charts here as we pull up a month to date for, let's start with the S&P. So S&P month to date off just around over 8.5%, the worst September that we have seen now for stocks since 2008. S&P off more than 7% this month. That will be the third time that this has happened with the S&P so far this year, marking the first time. Last time that has happened was actually during the financial crisis. Taking a look at the Dow month to date off just over 8% as well. Worst month that we have seen for the Dow since March 2020. And taking a look at the NASDAQ here, month to date off just over 9%, the biggest monthly loss that we have seen since April. Taking a look at a quarter to date for the NASDAQ, off pretty substantially, off just over 3%. So the losses for the quarter, not nearly as bad as what we saw in September for stocks. The Dow for the quarter off just over 6%, and the S&P substantially in the red here, off just over 4.5%. Rochelle?